to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then search create.roblox.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then in here, click on Creations, which is the second option. After you're in Creation, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Your Place. After you've clicked on Your Place, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, at the top left, click on three lines again. Scroll down in Monetization, click on Passes. After that, click on Create a Pass. You can add name, description if you want. After that, scroll down and click on Create Pass. After your pass is created, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, click on your pass that you just created. After you click on your pass you just created, you can simply click on three lines again at the top left, which will show these options. Click on Sales. In Sales, turn on Item for Sale and then add price for your Robux. After that, press on Save Changes at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.